Hi, I'm Ryan at Marine Parts Source. During winterization, every boater is going to need to conduct an oil change. There are a lot of oil change kits available in the market. Jabsco offers two of the most popular: the flat tank oil changer kit and the heavy duty Porta-Quick oil changer. Let's take a look at each one. So as it's named, the flat tank oil changer comes with a big flat tank, which makes it really easy for stowing away. It's really convenient for space considerations. It also has this 2-amp pump that's attached here. It's 12-volt operation, runs off these battery clips that you just connect to the battery. It's pretty easy to use. You'll want to run your engine for about 5 minutes to get the oil warmed up, but make sure and turn the engine off before you start the oil change. Then you'll want to remove the dipstick from the engine, and you're going to connect this dipstick tube to the pump right here, and then you'll just have the other side go down into the dipstick tube on the engine. It needs to go all the way down and touch the bottom of the oil pan. So then you connect your battery clips to your battery, and you can switch the pump on right here. After that, it'll run about 10 minutes or so for the average engine. Once the pump starts to speed up, that's when you know all the oil is pumped out. You can switch the pump off, disconnect your battery clips, and you're done. This is the heavy-duty Porta-Quick oil changer, and the main difference between this kit and the previous one is this pump that's mounted on top. It's a 7-amp, 12-volt impeller pump, and it can handle a much larger capacity than the previous kit. It can also handle twin engine applications, and if you're conducting a lot of oil changes with multiple vehicles, then this is probably the kit that you'll want to get. It's also a bi-directional pump. It can pump in both directions, so not only is it going to be able to empty the engine, but it can also fill it as well. It operates pretty much the same way as the previous kit, using these battery clips connected to the battery. The container is a 14-quart bucket, and it comes with a couple of hose options as well. This half-inch rubber hose connects to the pump here, and then you can connect it to the engine with this female garden hose adapter. And you can also use a dipstick tube similar to the flat tank kit. You simply want to insert the tube into this rubber bushing that's provided, and then you insert the bushing into the hose. Then you've got these clamps that you can clamp that down with, and then you can take oil straight from the dipstick tube on the engine. The operation of the kit is pretty similar to the flat tank oil changer. You'll want to run your engine for about 5 minutes to get the oil heated up, and then you can connect the tube to the engine, and then you can connect your battery clips to the battery. Then simply switch the pump on in the direction that you want the oil to flow. And once the pump starts to speed up, similar to the last one, you know that the oil is out, and you can switch the pump off, and you're done. So as you can see, if you're looking for space convenience, the flat tank oil changer system is perfect for you. If you've got a larger vessel or have twin engine application, then the Porta-Quick oil changer is going to be the best kit for you. If you want more information or need any help with your vessel, just call us at 866-388-0390 or visit us online at marinepartssource.com.